Hey family, welcome back to the News, Knowledge, and Life channel with your man King Williams with another informative video for you. Definitely got to jump right into it, and I want to talk about Michigan bans many stores from selling seeds, home gardening supplies, calls them not necessary. You want to know why they call it not necessary, family? They call it not necessary because they want to force you to eat GMO food that doesn't hold nutritional values. And if you notice at some of your markets and some of your stores where you might buy fruits and vegetables, none of it have seeds in it. Like some of you might go buy oranges. You buy these oranges, they don't have seeds up in it. And I know when I was growing up, every fucking slice of orange that you peel off had a seed in it. And now it doesn't have seeds in it. They're making seedless watermelons, seedless oranges, seedless grapes, where you can't take the seed up out of the produce and put it back in that ground. They're doing the same with marijuana, where they have all of these fucking different names of marijuana. Super duper Cookie Max and all this other shit. You know what I mean? With no damn seeds in it. And I know when I was growing up, they had seeds, a whole bag full of goddamn seeds. You bought a sack of weed, shit, you had a whole bag of motherfucking seeds in that motherfucker where you can go put them right back in the ground and plant you some shit. You know what I mean? Which means all of this has been controlled. When you look at the GMO factor of what's going on in the produce department, all of this is under control. Not all of it, but majority of it is. And they know that we all know that the meat market has crashed. They're selling dead body parts. They doing all of that, grinding up and ground turkey, ground beef, all of this. A lot of steaks is fucking parts of different motherfucking flesh. A lot of this food out here is not real, family. And we gotta open up our eyes fast and realize that they're trying to stop selling seeds. This is why I'm telling you all to find a greenhouse in your local area, out way in the country, some motherfucking where you you get close to this farmer, get close to the greenhouse growers that's selling these plants and these seeds. Get very close to them because they're gonna have access to these seeds and plants that are non-GMO. And you got to watch what you buy online, because a lot of the stuff that you buying online is GMO produce, where you can grow this food all day long. But when you crack this fruits and this vegetable open, ain't no damn seeds in it. So y'all got to stay safe out there, because they're going to do this in every state. They're going to try to do this. They're going to try to enforce this in a lot of states. This is why I'm telling y'all now. That means if you're growing a garden, they come on your land. What would you do, family, if you put that work into that garden on your property and these motherfuckers come in on your property and start grabbing shit up out of the ground, taking it with them? And it's your survival. And forcing you to go, you and your family, to go to the GMO market, which is not healthy, and you're not getting the values of this produce that you need for your body. Are you gonna stand up, or you gonna lay down? Comment on this, family, and let me know what you think about this. What do you think about the produce department, gardening? They're trying to take away all of our rights, which we as the melanated family had no rights in the damn first place, because the judicial system is working against us in every way. Everything, and they wonder why we don't stand up for the flag. We don't stand up for the flag because we know that everything that this country stands for is against us. It was built on racism, and it remains on racism. And right now, it's racism against us, and it's racism against all races, because they racist against their own people. They trying to kill their own people off as well. And some of they people out here thinking that they working with them. They ain't working with you. They killing a lot of their family members is dying. So how in the fuck is they working with them? How in the fuck is they working with you? You know, and your family members is dying. And this goes out to the other races out there. They're not coming to your door saying, we're going to protect you and your family, to a white person or a Hispanic person or an Asian person. They're not knocking on your door saying, we're going to protect you because you're more closer to us than those niggas. So stay woke, my people. You know, make sure you keep on getting them seeds. Make sure that you get close to your local farmers. Make sure that you get close to the greenhouse growers. You know, and a lot of those who smoke weed out there, I suggest you to get with your local greenhouse growers because they sell weed too. They sell weed plants that is non-GMO and they sell the real weed. You know, I know there's people out there smoke a lot of weed. You know, you got to watch what you're smoking because you're buying GMO weed when you're buying it on the street. You know. You're getting that shit called Super Duper Cookie Max and all this other shit that's real fluffy and sticky. That shit ain't real. You know, the real weed has seeds in it. And the local farmers have that. And they also have the real produce and the non-GMO fruit. So keep your eyes open, family. Make sure that you load up on your seeds, grow your garden, and make sure you grow your garden inside and out. Because these slick motherfuckers can come in and find out that you have a garden in the back of your yard and come in while you sleep and pull your shit up. And if that's the only survival that you have, you know, make sure that you have a backup plan inside of your house. And because what they're going to do, kick your door in and say, we want to check and see if you got a garden growing up in this motherfucker. You know, and trust me, that these coward motherfuckers gonna come in at night when they do it. So make sure that you on watch at all time. It's time for motherfucking man out there to stand up, to be on guard at all time and protect your family, protect your house, protect what you work for and what's yours. So comment on this, family. Let me know what you would do if a motherfucker come up on your yard and they take your shit right up out of your garden. All the stuff you planted. And your man King Williams is out. Make sure that y'all get at me in this comment because I want to hear what y'all have to say. And I'm definitely going to be bringing more videos out. So make sure y'all stay woke and hit that bell if you haven't subscribed. And make sure that bell says get all notifications so you will be notified. Your man King Williams is out. Catch me on the next video. Peace.